Hello and welcome to Conjuring Rock. I'm out here ice fishing and I'm with Zack from Frontenac Outfitters.
What's up?
We're gonna go for some pike and walleye. Hopefully catch some fish to bring home and have a good feast. We're on a pretty steep drop off here. We're like not too far out from shore. We got like 30 feet there, 24 feet there. I mean, it's pretty good, I think. Gonna set up a tip up shallow for a pike, put on a nice big herring on it, and then I'm gonna jig out deeper for some walleye. Oh wow, it's only 13 here.
Really, eh?
No, sorry, it just jumped up to 26. Wow. Yeah, look at that, not too far from shore, 26 feet. Down you go, herring. Is this gonna sink? All right, so I've got that sitting just above those weeds. I think those are weeds at least, but saying 27 feet. And then we got all this interference here from 20 feet down. So there's like almost 7 feet of weeds. Bubbles? Yep, there's a bubble. I saw it coming up. Oh, here comes another bubble. Anyways. Oh, I lost my minnow. I think I was just jigging too aggressively. Oh, am I on? I think I got a bite. Yeah, totally fish down there. I'm gonna try a little orange tungsten head tipped with a minnow. So I'm missing part of the swift jacker here, but introducing the swift jacker. This thing was made by Matt Swift for me, and we're going to show you how to make one in a future video. Okay, cool. Well, the morning didn't really turn out to provide any bites yet. We're getting a lot of marks, but just a lot of tire kickers, which has kind of been the way it's been going this whole week and this weekend. We just kind of finished this polar vortex air mass, cold air mass that was in our area for a while that probably turned the fish off. So it's been some tough fishing lately, but it's like a beautiful day today. It's supposed to get up to like +1, which is unreal for February. So hopefully that turns the bite on. We'll see. Let's pick up a perch or whack a walleye or maybe stick a pike. That'd be great. Oh, my rod. Oh, it's going too. Yeah, that feels good. Oh, all right, what are you gonna be? Please don't be a bass. We are recording, right? Yeah. It's not really fighting like a pike, but it could be. Yeah, it is. Yeah, come here, you. Nice. Right on. Whew, it's been a while since I've had my hands in your gills. Well, that's great. I need the pliers, but wicked. Oh, that feels awesome. First fish in a while. Whew. And that's the first fish on the Swift Jacker. So it does work well. There's like purples. I'm gonna let you go, even though I want to eat you. Look at your mouth. Oh, they're so awesome. Such a cool species. Okay, I gotta get the pliers. And then we'll get you back in the hole.
Good meat on that fish, Ben.
I know. Yeah, you hate seeing me throw fish back, eh?
Those are good ones.
Well, I'm gonna throw this one back in hopes that it will provide us with another. That was just a hook and a minnow.
You just basically at bottom?
I was like actually like 4 feet off bottom almost. There you go. Just let it go, let it go. All right. Well, I broke the skunk. That's great. Well, we're gonna put this back in hopes that, you know, karma, that kind of stuff. All right. Nice, healthy kickoff. Sweet. What's that?
I pulled her up now. I'm keeping it.
Yeah, that's fair. Cool. Yeah, next fish I catch, I'm totally gonna keep it. Nothing there, eh? All right, well, hope you enjoyed that episode. We got one pike.
Another skunk.
Next time.
Yeah.
Hit that like button if you liked what you saw. Subscribe to see more. We'll catch you later.